Hey everybody, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport here in San Diego, California. ScooterWest.com for all things Vespa in North America. What do I got here? I got a white GTS 300. You know what's more exciting than a white GTS 300? The white GTS kids scooter for ages 3 to 6. And I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this today. So let's see what we got here. Voila! We got a fork, the seat, also important, a pair of mirrors, the front fender, the rear fender, the all-important license plate. Don't we all wish we had training wheels sometimes? And last but not least, we got the handlebars. Not only do you have the speedometer, you got an MP3 player. The real thing doesn't include that. We got the instructions here. Very important that I read them. I think I got this. So on with the assembly. I wish you could do this with the real full-size scooter. Got the all-important training wheels. Got 6 screws that hold in place, 2 longer ones underneath. And 4 short guys that hold the sides in place. Training wheels are installed. Fender drops in place. Pair of connections. And go ahead and push those up into your handlebars. And align the screw. There we go. All-important pair of mirrors. So the seat goes on. You have a single nut, captive nut on the plastic, and the last remaining self-tapping screw. In the state of California, you have to have a license before you ride on public roads here. Hook up the positive lead to the battery and shut the seat, and we're ready to go. So you got your lights. I got some tunes rolling on my stereo here, right? All important, you having your tunes while you're rolling. Push the power button. Motor's ready to go. Then you got forward and reverse. Man, that's got some torque. I might have to give this a spin. Wow, I just got a new scooter. I'm so excited. Until next time, this is Robot here, Vespa Motorsport. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram. Stay safe while riding your scooter.